we shifted from Bangalore, we shifted from Hyderabad. So like my father came back and we were spending time with him, enjoying with my family and settling, you understand, right? So everything was happening. So after that, I told there's something. Did you remember what's on 12th March? Any guesses? 12th March is my birthday. It's not my birthday, it's my family's birthday, it's my whole team's birthday. Not 12th March, it's 12th April. 12th March was my exam headache. So 12th April is our channel's birthday, my birthday, your birthday, everybody's birthday, my subscribers' birthday. Happy birthday to all of you, and if you want to wish me happy birthday, like the video. So like every time I see that like so much love and support comes from you guys, and really I'm very great to have such subscribers and such nice family, and very thankful for my parents, my family for giving me a lot of support and love. And it's really tough to start a YouTube channel, and my family with their love they made it a bit easy for me to make it. So thank you all. And this swing you see, what is this? I love swinging this. Oh wait, my father and mother gifted me and my brother for completing 1 year. This is my brother's favorite, so I also like, okay, this is my favorite color. So we got it, I think, on 12th April or 11th, I don't remember. So I couldn't post a video on 12th, but today I have celebrated really dhoom-dhaam, very much dhoom-dhaam. And we really enjoyed today. And I have prepared everybody's favorite, almost everybody's favorite. Sometimes even foreigners also will come to India and love this street food. Who doesn't love Indian street food? Can't have. Everybody loves. Especially in that one is Pani Puri and second, any guesses? Not Dahi Puri, not Sev Puri. Okay? It's Pav Bhaji. Whenever I say it, I get mouthful of water. It's really tasty, right? And especially when you eat it in Mumbai, the vada pav and the pav bhaji, amazing. Huh? Did you ever have? Kabhi khaya aapne? So if you have ate it, comment it. And also in the comment section, is enabled. Thank you. My team has enabled it. My parents helped me, and this is a very nice. And masaledar chatkane wala pav bhaji is my favorite. Is it your favorite? And also one of my for this 1 year special, auspicious and grand event, I have posted some questions. You might have been seeing that. So in that questions, I have got that many people are interested in that, and one of the viewers asked me that I don't know how to make masala tea. It's my favorite, but I try every time, but I fail in making it. So I will, and they requested me, can you please make a video on masala tea? Sure, I will make it. Definitely. The next video, maybe I try to make masala tea. So my mom makes tea very nicely. So I try to make masala tea with my mom's help. She knows to make tea very well. Basically, she is very good chef. Okay. So, and thank you everybody for your love and support. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 90 subscribers and 100 subscribers. Please support me to reach 100 subscribers. Now, let's go into the kitchen and look at the ingredients. Prepare the chatpata and my favorite pav bhaji. Now let's look at the ingredients. First, coming to the vegetables, we have potatoes, then onions, then cauliflower. Instead of cauliflower, you can use cabbage. It's your choice. And then we are using lemon, green peas, capsicum, one roughly chopped carrot and green chili. Now coming to the spices, we have coriander, and then we have cumin seeds, red chili powder, even you can use Kashmiri lal mirch. Then we are using here salt as per our taste, and then kasuri methi, and pav bhaji masala I am using Everest. You can use any other brand. And then butter. How can pav bhaji without butter? It's like incomplete. And then pav, obviously. And then this is ready-made ginger garlic paste, oil, and I'm taking 750 ml of water. Now let's take a look of this yummy pav bhaji's directions. Let's go. Now we have to heat up a cooker and add oil in it. Little bit oil. And now add first cumin seeds. This is just for boiling, so I'm adding very little. Now after we just see that it's like, what do you call it, papat. Now add our vegetables except onions and capsicum and lemon. First we are adding first time I'll add this. Cover them until the water. Sorry, we will add water also. Now I'm not going to add whole water. We're going to just see that it's not crossing the level. So now just mix it for one time. Now we just add salt, little bit only, because we'll be adding in the bhaji mixture also. And then mix it once again. And you can even add beetroot over here because it gives a nice color and will give it in a restaurant style. I'm not going to add beetroot or any artificial. Now we are going to for 5 whistles because it should be very soft and it should be mashy also. So we are going to cover the lid and now put the whistle, and now let's wait for 5 whistles. Tick, tick, tick. When the whistles are coming, we're going to sort our onion and other vegetables. Now first add oil. As I didn't add butter boiling, we're going to add now. Now mix it. Now we are going to add first ginger garlic paste. Let them. So the butter is melting. I didn't add the green chilies here. I added in the cooker. So now we are not adding any green chilies. Now add our onions and bell pepper. If it's frozen beans, so if you want, you can add green chilies over here, not while adding in the cooker. Because it adds spice to the vegetables, I've added in the cooker. You can just try it out, it's amazing. Saute it until it's golden brown or pinkish in color. So now, as you can see that it's in pinkish and golden brown color. Now we are going to add our spices. So firstly I'm going to add red chili powder. As I'm adding pav bhaji masala, I took red chili powder only little quantity. So now pav bhaji masala also. Let's add 2 tablespoons. You can take it as approximate quantity. Now you can add salt as per your taste. You can even adjust it after the bhaji is done. And now kasuri methi, you can just crush it, add it. We'll add coriander at the last, so now we will not. So oil is getting separated over here, and now as you can see, when the vegetables have been cooked nicely and we have mashed it, now let's add these and then we'll add water and boil them for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So now we are going to add these and mix it to form a nice texture and to make a perfect bhaji. So now we have mixed it and you can see that it's like boiling. So now I'm going to add little bit of water. So you have to add it according to your bhaji's quantity. It gave like a, what do you call it, sound like it's a current one when you get a shock, right? You do try it out, and also the comment section is enabled, so you can comment down and tell me some new ideas for my Hanju's Little Kitchen, and also you can try it and also tell me how was it. Mix it nicely because as it's bhaji, it would be a little bit of gravy form for any curry. Not only you can have this only in pav, but in this type of curry you can have it for roti also. So now as you can see, it's boiling and it's ready actually. So now you need to add finely chopped coriander. You can even add what do you call this, kasuri methi now, because it would be nice. And now nimbu pani. Nimbu pani means not a khatta meetha. We are going to add, as I am not using tomatoes, I used nimbu for little bit of tanginess. No chatpataness, then pav bhaji would be incomplete. First mix it and then switch off the flame. Ready bhaji. Now we have to toss the pav. Tossing of our yummy paws. Now we will add butter. Add a bit more butter so that the flavor will like touch the pav. Okay, now as we are trying something new and different, we are going to add something special. Guess what? We are adding some of our bhaji, some kasuri methi, and Ashirwad chili powder or whatever it is. That's it. Don't add salt. Add it and mix it well. And now place the pav between them so that it goes well. Just do it like you're touching the flavor of the bhaji and everything, so that whenever you're eating the pav bhaji, it tastes very well. Wow, it's looking great. And then after it gets tossed well with the both sides, then you need to remove that so that you can serve your bhaji, yummy bhaji, and serve it with some onions and lemon. Guys, our chatpata, tasty pav bhaji is ready. So we are garnished with onions and tomatoes and also lemon, also butter on the top. Now, who are these chefs? You might be thinking that will Hasid come, or will her mother come, or will her father come? Yes, your guess is correct. Let us welcome my father, whom I have never introduced you, and my sweet little devil brother.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Anshu. Congratulations.
How you can tell me that? I'm not a ducky. I'm a ducky. So, now, who is he? He is my father. His name is Chaitanya, and he gave me a lot of ideas about my YouTube channel and helped me and supported me a lot. Thanks for that.
You're most welcome.
Now, let's welcome our mother.